welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am doing my cozy fall nighttime routine. So we are starting out by lighting all of our candles in our house. I love setting the mood for a nice cozy night by lighting candles. It just really gives that nice ambient vibe. This night I decided to make some tortellini soup, which I had never made before, and it was so yummy. I will leave all of the ingredients and recipe in the description box down below. I don't know anyone that actually enjoys cutting onions, but I absolutely cannot stand it, so I volunteer Curtis any chance that I can when we are cooking with onions. He was such a trooper and did it for me this night. This recipe is fairly easy and simple. It is perfect for a nice fall night. It doesn't take too long, which I love. So once we have most of the Italian sausage cooked, I'm going to add the onion to the pot, let that saute a little bit, and then I am adding in some chicken broth to the mix. Once that is in, I'm adding 2 cans of diced tomato and then adding a block of cream cheese. Once you have all of that mixed together, go ahead and put the lid on the pot and let that come to a boil. Once that is at a boil, that is when I'm going to add my tortellini into the pot. This is not frozen, so this is only going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, so not very long, and this just completes the soup. Totally makes it the most delicious soup. I absolutely loved this recipe, and so did Curtis. So if you are looking for a nice fall dinner soup recipe, definitely try this out. If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. I'm also popping some garlic bread into the oven because who doesn't love some garlic knots? They just are my favorite part of any pasta or Italian dish. While that finishes cooking, I'm just going to do some quick chores around the house. So I'm going to grab our stick vacuum and vacuum all around the kitchen and living room area. And then I'm also going to do some dishes. A little fun fact about me and Curtis is in our over a year living here in our house, we've only used our dishwasher 2 or 3 times. We just really like to hand wash everything. It seems more convenient to us. We just keep up while we're cooking and wash as we go. Living in a home with 4 animals, there is so much pet hair, so I try to vacuum quite often any chance that I get. And it is nice while your dinner is cooking, you might as well get some chores around the house done. I don't know about you, but waking up to a clean house is one of the best feelings, so I do try to keep our house as picked up and tidy as I can. It really does help my anxiety, just being able to see the house looking nice and clean. Once I am done cleaning up, it is finally time to eat our yummy soup. This was piping hot, so we ended up having to put some ice cubes into it to cool it down, but I would definitely recommend this recipe. Definitely a 9 out of 10 for sure. Once we are done with dinner, I'm going to make us some cocktails from Shaker and Spoon. If you have never heard of them, they are a monthly cocktail subscription service that delivers the craft cocktail experience right to your front door. Each month you'll receive a box of 3 one-of-a-kind recipes created by world-class bartenders. This month I picked up the Fruits of Fall box, which I thought was fitting for this fall nighttime routine. I am making the Woof and Wear cocktail, which, can I tell you guys, this was hands down probably the best cocktail I've ever had. Shaker and Spoon makes it so easy to try out new cocktails. We had never tried apple brandy before, and to be honest, had it not been for Shaker and Spoon, we probably never would have. Their recipe cards make it so simple, tell you step-by-step instructions how to make each cocktail. I love the fact that each box you can make 12 cocktails, so this coming weekend we're actually having our neighbors over and we're going to make some cocktails for them, which I cannot wait for them to try these. If you are interested in trying out Shaker and Spoon, which I highly recommend, we are definitely going to continue getting these. I do have a discount code for you. You can use my link or my code Molly to get $20 off your Shaker and Spoon subscription. And thank you so much to Shaker and Spoon for sponsoring today's video. Now that we have our cocktails in hand, we are going to relax on the couch. I am turning on our cozy fireplace and we are watching Ink Master on Netflix. We have been really into this show lately. It's definitely super interesting to watch. Our fur babies need to eat as well, so I am just going to feed them, which Chloe gets so excited for food time. Our 2 little ones are free feed dogs, so they just eat throughout the day, so they are not on a scheduled feeding, so that is why you don't see them. Heading into our bedroom, I'm going to turn on our lamp and sit in our little reading corner. I have been really into reading lately. Colleen Hoover is my absolute favorite right now, which I'm sure so many of you love her books as well. But I am reading Regretting You. I just started it, so I'm excited to finish that. You'll have to let me know what your favorite Colleen Hoover book is if you've read any in the comments down below. To end my night, I am going to wash my face and brush my teeth, do my skincare routine. I will leave some of my favorite products in the description box down below. I make sure to take my makeup off every single night because I cannot stand the feeling of makeup, and the few times that I have left makeup on, I always get a pimple. So if you are watching this and it's nighttime, get up and take your makeup off. It is always worth it. I know it sucks when you're tired, but it is not worth getting a pimple on your face. If there is one product you 100% need, it is this lip sleeping mask. It is hands down my favorite. It'll be linked down below. But that is going to complete today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.